Team 14 was tasked with designing a building to the specification of the client. The portal frame was to be designed in Revit and subsequently analysed in spacegass. The client specified the building to be 32 metres long, 18 metres wide, with a pitch of 6 degrees and eave height of 7 metres. This, as well as a rafter load requirement of 10 kilonewtons per metre. The walls were to be spandeck and the roofs to be classic 700 clip lock. As well as this, the client sought at least 10 windows and 2 doors, 1 roller and 1 regular. Furthermore, the client required an indoor mezzanine. In accordance with Australian standards, the 32-metre long structure was designed with 6 bays 5.33 metres apart. This was all built on a 400mm thick slab that overhangs the portal frame by 300mm in each direction. The mezzanine was built 2.7 metres high on UB steel columns with a suspended 200mm concrete slab. There was also access stairs and an 1100mm safety railing.
There are some parameters of the designs. First of all, there is a column and the rafters. After that, gates and the purlin, roofing and the wall cladding. First, I will go for column and the rafters. Their build-up depends upon the design, and either it is required hot rolled structure shape or welded plate construction. Secondly, I will go for purlin and the gates. The Z section selected with the help of the double space mentioned in the below parameter table. In internal angle is 96 degree. That's why effective length purlin lies against roof at 6 degree. Just like purlin, gates is also decided and mentioned in the below table. It is used to give a large gap for windows and the doors. It is also used to save a lot of material. Lastly, I will go for roofing and the wall cladding. Here is a wall cladding, and this type is spandex, 24mm thickness, and the roof Kiplocks Classic 700, as client mentioned all that, 40mm thickness, and the roof angle is the 6 degree. After that, on the last there is a table of all the parameters and their dimensions. Is column, rafter, gates, purlin, cleats, wall cladding and roof, and all their dimensions and details.
After the Revit model of this project was designed, it was transferred over to spacegass using the same parameters. Spacegass is a common engineering 3D design and analysis application that can be used for anything ranging from beams, trusses, and frames, along with many more features. The reason for using this application is so that the group can structurally analyze the portal frame along with designing multiple steel connections. This program is incredibly useful as it allows us to ensure that all Australian standards were met. Numerous relevant load cases were founded by the client, which were extracted and used for further analysis in a 2D setting, as shown in the image. All of this was done to ensure that the structure can handle the load requirements in the Wollongong region. If the requirements are not met, a reanalysis shall be undertaken through adjusting the rafter spacings to best suit the brief of the client. Through completing the analysis, the group will be able to submit a structural and detailed report by the deadline.